Devil Wash kind of came to me when I was starting to fly. I started flight training, and I noticed the airplanes were just dirty all the time. And so I did a little bit of research into cleaning aircraft, and I just realized that you had to pick up all the water when you clean an aircraft. So I thought, you know, why not everywhere else? Why are people washing water down drains when they're power cleaning concrete? So I just kind of matured the idea a little bit, worked it around in my head, and then I started building the system. We go in, I spray all sorts of biodegradable degreasers onto the surface to loosen up the oil. And we go through with a vacuuming surface cleaner, which is almost like a riding lawnmower. There's a spray bar that turns around inside of it and sprays off the surface with high pressure water. And then there's a vacuum around the perimeter of that surface cleaner that vacuums up all of that dirty water into our trailer. And inside the trailer there's sludge filters, oil water separators, filter banks, and there's also, you know, a polishing filter. And then once that's all done and into the tank, it starts the process over again. Devil Wash funding originally came from a small grant that I got from ASU, which was called the EAP grant, the Entrepreneur Advantage Project. And I got that in the beginning of my freshman year here at ASU in 2008. And it let me just do a little bit of market research, build a basic system, and just see how far I could get with a little bit of money. And then after that, I won the Edson Award.
The Edson Student Entrepreneur Initiative is a program through which we hold annual competitions that award up to $200,000 to an entire variety of student ventures. These can be for-profit companies, not-for-profit organizations, and all students, all majors at all campuses are eligible to apply.
The Edson grant helped me actually do it. The Edson grant gave me that little bit of capital I needed to just start, and then to start a self-sufficient, self-funding company. Researching just was a lot of time just running around. I went and asked everyone that I thought might have an answer. I went and asked them. It wasn't that hard to find people who are out there to answer my question. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of commitment. But if you make your phone calls, if you go to your meetings, if you put out an image of professionalism, they'll accept that and they'll give you a chance. If you don't research, you'll end up doing things that will lose you money. You'll end up getting sued. You'll end up doing things that just don't make sense. It's really hard to go about anything worthwhile without doing any research.